stickers with your Cricut. You want to first open Cricut, start a new project. Then you're going to upload the image that you want to use to make your sticker. We're going to use Chicago Bulls logo. So browse. I've got it saved in Bulls sticker. It's going to show it here. You're going to say determine how much detail your picture has and choose over here. I usually choose moderate or simple. Now you're going to select any portions that you want to remove, like that are in your image that you might not want to be there. It looks like ours is already a PNG file, so we just have what we want here. So we're going to go apply and continue. Now we're going to select print, then cut. Upload. Now, if we go to a new project, we can insert our image. Oh, sorry. We're going to select it, add it to canvas. Now we have it, and if we did a print to cut just like this, it would cut all around our outline. But in order to make sure we don't, if we get it a little off on the Cricut, say we don't want to show any white around here, or in order to fix that, what we can do is offset the image by a little bit and you see it shows you where it's going to offset, and we can apply that, and now we can turn this white, and let me change my background color just so you guys can clearly see. So we're going to select both of them and flatten that. And now we have one piece that's ready. Our printer's going to print it out. We're going to cut around this with our Cricut. And one thing you have to make sure is with print to cut on a regular size printer, you're not going to be able to have this any larger than 6.75 or 9.25 inches. So like if we bring it up here, we'll get a little error message. It'll tell us it's not supported. You need to reduce the image to this. And as we can see, if we get this side below 6.75, then it goes away because we can have one side 9.25. So we're going to print this out, and next we'll show you how to load it into the Cricut to cut it.
Okay guys, so we are printing on Vinyl World's printable vinyl. They sell it in 10 packs. It is super easy to peel. It's super good adhesive, strong adhesive backing, and it laminates super well with the cold press lamination that they sell, and we'll show you that next. Okay guys, so before we put this in the Cricut to cut it, we're actually going to laminate it with cold press lamination. So one problem with the Cricut is if you laminate over these black registration marks and try to put it through the Cricut, it's not going to read them, and you're going to have a real hard time getting it to read the registration marks. Vinyl World luckily sells 10 packs of sheets that are just the right size for the 6.75 by 9.25 that the Cricut the Cricut maximum for print to cut. So we're just going to trim it down to fit right inside our box. You'll notice the width is perfect length. And you're going to peel one corner back. On your lamination, and go all the way across with it. You're going to fold down the paper and press it down. Smooth it out. And then you just want to make sure you don't get any air bubbles in here, so you're just going to go a little bit at a time, smoothing it as you pull. And this lamination is going to make our sticker waterproof and UV proof, so you don't have to worry about the sun fading our image. You don't have to worry if somebody's putting this on their car. It's going to last a long time. Okay? And now our Cricut will be able to read these registration marks just fine without any trouble.